Cardiopulmonary resuscitation, CPR. CPR or cardiopulmonary resuscitation is an emergency life-saving procedure performed when the heart stops beating. These are the 7 fundamental steps of CPR. Put the heel of your dominant hand at the center of the person's chest. Put your other hand over your dominant hand, then interlock your fingers. Start chest compressions. Chest compressions can help the flow of blood to the heart, brain, and other organs. Open the person's mouth. Add a rescue breath. Watch the chest fall, then do another rescue breath. Continue the 30 compressions, 2-breath cycle. The 3 basic parts of CPR are easily remembered as CAB. C for compressions, A for airway, and B for breathing.